Welcome to How to Fix South Africa YouTube channel. Subscribe and share. The channel who speaks about solutions for our beloved country. In this 8th video we will focus on how to fix Eskom. Eskom is a critical utility company in South Africa and has faced many challenges over the years. Here are some possible steps that can be taken to address the issues facing Eskom. 1. Address financial challenges. Eskom is facing significant financial challenges, including high levels of debt and a shortage of revenue. Addressing these challenges will be critical to the long-term viability of the company. This could include measures such as debt restructuring, revenue optimization, and cost-cutting. 2. Increase efficiency and productivity. Eskom has faced criticism for inefficiencies and lack of productivity. Implementing measures to improve the efficiency of its operations and increase productivity could help to reduce cost and improve service delivery. 3. Invest in renewable energy. Eskom is heavily reliant on coal-fired power plants, which contribute to air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. Investing in renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power could help to reduce the environmental impact of Eskom's operations. 4. Promote transparency and accountability. Improving transparency and accountability in Eskom's operations can help to restore public trust and confidence in the company. This could include measures such as publishing financial reports and holding executives accountable for their actions. 5. Foster collaboration with other stakeholders. Collaborating with other stakeholders such as government, labor unions, and community organizations can help to create a more inclusive and collaborative approach to addressing Eskom's challenges. This could include engaging in dialogue and seeking input from a wide range of stakeholders. These are just a few possible steps that can be taken to address the challenges facing Eskom. It will require sustained effort and commitment from all stakeholders to ensure the long-term sustainability of this critical utility company. Make sure you leave your like for us to get to more people. We count on you to make the change and be an active citizen in the South African society. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.